Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a code that can make any Jeep, Dodge, or Chrysler owner's heart skip a beat. The dreaded P0700. If you've plugged in a scanner and seen this code pop up, you might be wondering what's going on with your transmission. Don't panic just yet. I'm here to break it all down for you. So, what exactly is a P0700 code? Think of it as a general alert from your vehicle's main computer, the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM. The P0700 code itself doesn't point to a specific problem. Instead, it's telling you, hey, there's an issue, and you need to look at the Transmission Control Module for more details. The Transmission Control Module, or TCM, is the dedicated brain for your automatic transmission. It manages everything from when to shift gears to how smoothly those shifts happen. When the TCM detects a problem within the transmission's electrical or hydraulic systems, it stores its own, more specific fault codes. It then sends a signal to the PCM, which in turn flags the general P0700 code and usually illuminates your check engine light. This is a crucial point to understand. So, where is this all happening? The transmission control module's location can vary. In many modern Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles, the TCM is integrated directly into the valve body assembly, which is located inside the transmission oil pan. This is often referred to as a mechatronic unit. In other models, it might be a separate module bolted to the outside of the transmission case, or located elsewhere in the engine bay. A quick search for your specific year and model will help you pinpoint its exact location. Once you have your advanced scanner connected, you'll retrieve those all-important subcodes from the TCM. These codes are the key to a successful repair. For example, you might see a code for a specific shift, solenoid being stuck on or off, a code for a transmission fluid pressure sensor, or even a code indicating a communication error between modules. Each of these points to a very different diagnostic path. Trying to fix a P0700 without these subcodes, it's like trying to find your way in the dark. I'll just be guessing and likely throwing expensive parts at a problem you haven't properly identified. Let's talk about the common causes. After you've pulled the subcodes, you'll often find the issue lies with one of a few key components. Shift solenoids are a very common culprit. These are small, electronically controlled valves that direct hydraulic fluid to engage the different clutches and bands inside the transmission, allowing it to shift gears. Over time, they can fail electrically or become clogged with debris. Another frequent source of problems is the valve body itself. The valve body is a complex maze of channels and valves that directs the flow of transmission fluid. It can develop cracks, have sticky valves, or its internal wiring harness can fail, especially in those integrated TCM designs. So, what's the fix? The repair is entirely dependent on the specific subcodes you find. If a particular shift solenoid is identified as faulty, the solution might be to replace that solenoid. This often involves dropping the transmission oil pan, removing the valve body, and swapping out the part. If the valve body is the issue, you might need to have it serviced by a specialist, or in many cases, replace the entire valve body assembly, which, as we mentioned, may include the TCM itself. In some situations, the problem could be as simple as low or dirty transmission fluid, so always check the fluid level and condition first. A complete fluid and filter change can sometimes resolve minor issues. If you find metal shavings in the pan, that's a bad sign, indicating a much more serious internal mechanical failure that will require a full transmission rebuild or replacement. To recap, a P0700 code is a gateway code. It means the TCM has detected a fault. Don't just stop there. You need an advanced scanner to read the specific transmission codes. These codes will then point you toward the real problem, whether it's a solenoid, the valve body, or another component. From there, you can perform an accurate and effective repair, saving you time, money, and a lot of headaches. I hope this video helped demystify the P0700 code for all you Jeep, Dodge, and Chrysler owners out there. If you found this information useful, do me a favor and hit that like button, and consider subscribing for more deep dives into vehicle diagnostics and repair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.